From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Question 56 of NECO 2025 is on statistics, specifically on standard deviation. It says calculate the standard deviation of the following set of numbers 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 2. So the first thing you want to do is to calculate the mean, which is summation of x over f. And this is 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 over how many they are, which is 6. So this is 10. 10 plus 10, 20, 29, 36. So this is 6. So standard deviation is simply square root of variance, which is summation of f x minus x bar square over summation of f. And so this is square root of 9 minus 6 all square plus 8 minus 6 all square plus 7 minus 6 all square plus 6 minus 6 all square plus 4 minus 6 all square plus 2 minus 6 all square. Everything over 6. And so 9 minus 6 is 3, and 3 square is 9. 8 minus 6 is 2, 2 square is 4. 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 square is 1. 6 minus 6 is 0, 0 square is 0. 4 minus 6 is minus 2, minus 2 square is 4. 2 minus 6 is minus 4, minus 4 square is 16. Everything over 6. Remember, square root. So this is 4 plus 20, 24, 25, 34. So this is 34 over 6. And so if we divide this, 6 into 34 is 5.66. So approximately 5.67, which is C. Thank you for watching.